Hey everybody, here goes, I just wrote it down. Oh yeah, dark red and gold. Here's my dark red and gold girl. Red ribbon girl. Yeah, you having a good day, are you, Missy? Hmm? You are? Yeah. Yeah. Pretty good girl? Pretty good girl. How come I can't get no ear perk out of you? You know why. You know why. Yeah. You're right, I do. You're right, I do. Yeah, you come in the house pretty muddy, dog. I'll tell you. Yeah, you did. And that's not all your dirt, but still, you put a good hurting on that pile. I said I was going to wipe your nose. Yeah. Let me wipe your nose for you. Yeah, my good dog. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, that's better. Nice looking set of paws. Pretty good squat you going on. You got anything you want me to tell the folks about you? Oh, she big dog so far. She weighed 38 pounds. 38 pounds. You know something? I might have to, I think I forgot to say what that last boy weighed. He weighed 35 pounds, Mr. Green Gold. All right, well anyhow, there she is.